To the corridors of justice, where a businessman has found himself on the wrong side of the law after being charged with defrauding an investor of 12 million shillings in a questionable land transaction. The accused, Abdi Yusuf Mohammed, is said to have posed as a legitimate land dealer and promised to sell land located in Garissa County. But instead of completing the transaction, he allegedly pocketed the money and vanished, leaving the investor high and dry. Our court reporter, Letuaa Debra, has more details.
Abdi Yusuf Mohammed, a businessman of Somali origin, appeared before Senior Principal Magistrate Benmaki Kubi and denied defrauding Sadho Umalkar Aden of 12 million shillings. He allegedly received the money in June 2023 under the pretense of selling Aden the land in Garissa County.
You may be released on a bond of Kenya shillings 5 million with a surety of a similar amount. That relates to a title or a logbook of the equivalent amount of that 5 million. And then alternatively, a cash bill of 1,500,000. And then you'll avail 2 contact persons, and also you'll deposit your passport in court as a condition for your release, those both bond and bail terms. So we mentioned your matter on the 29th of April.
In a separate case, the Director of Criminal Investigation has been granted 7 more days to detain Joseph Momanyi, a suspect of 49 million shilling fraud probe involving alleged computer misuse and money laundering. He allegedly accessed Jumbo Pay client portal and illegally transferred the funds. He's being held at Mudaiga Police Station until April 22nd. Elsewhere, 8 suspects, among them 2 Ministry of Lands officials, will remain in custody for 4 more days of a major title deed forgery racket. The DCI recovered fake stamps and seals from government offices, including the judiciary. They were each given 50,000 shilling cash bail if not charged by April 17th, ahead of the mentioning on May 10th.
Each of the suspects is sternly warned not to interfere with the investigations. Otherwise, under Article 60, sub-article number 3 of the Rome Statute, the investigators shall be at liberty to apply for review of the bond terms, including but not limited to increasing the terms and also to cancel the bond terms.
In Kiambu County, May 3rd has been set as the date for consolidating 2 cases involving a land surveyor and 6 local residents over arson at the National County Constituency Development Fund office and damage of the DCC's office. A surveyor, Kigathe Kionywe, is charged with arson, while 6 others face theft and damage charges. The defense lawyers Arnold Otieno and Joel Kimani Karaoke opposed consolidation, arguing that the charges differ, but the prosecutor Arnold Baraka insisted the witnesses are the same.
Of the charge sheets, Your Honor, in this matter, it is very evident that the witnesses are the same across the 3 matters, Your Honor. That is in criminal case number 1832 of 2024 and 1723 of 2024. So it beats logic why we should call witnesses over and over again when they are coming to testify on the same issues before court.
And in Mavoko, businessman Bruno Oguda Obotha, who's appointed as the CEO of East Africa Portland Cement Company, ran into controversy, was today charged with fraud. He appeared before Senior Principal Magistrate Derek Kuto, facing 6 counts of forging documents with the intent to commit fraud on diverse dates in 2024. He was accused of forging security firm documents with intentions to defraud the cement company. His advocates pleaded with the court for a lenient cash bail, but the magistrate argued that the gravity of counts compelled him to release the accused on 5 million bond and a surety of the same amount, or a cash bail of 2 million shillings with 1 reliable contact person. Letuaa Debra for Prime Edition.